Mr. Landry, can I ask you a question with regard to another report that we have not talked to you about yet?
No, sure.
I know it's a hot topic in Baton Rouge, claiming that you have a pretty clear conflict of interest skirting a law that bars working for companies that you're on the board of or something. Can you explain what's going on, and if there's been any violation, how will you clear it up?
Yeah, Aaron, this is again the media down in Baton Rouge doing their best to discredit the great work that we do. You know, the liberal media hates conservatives like myself. They're always looking to open the door and make particular claims. No, I mean, everything we do is transparent. It's above the board. This is basically a board seat of which I worked for this company way back when as a lawyer. And the gentleman came to me and had an opportunity and said, look, I could use some help in this particular area. This is a company that creates hundreds of jobs around the state. And as a business person, I've always been involved. I've got many businesses, and we disclose all of those according to the law and our financial disclosures. I mean, it's really about nothing. I mean, look,
do you still get money? Do you still get money from them, and is that prohibited?
No, it's not prohibited. And here's what's important, Aaron, to recognize. The liberal media wants our elected officials, okay? They want the only people who can get elected are people who actually come up from inside the government, right? We want people who understand business to run our government, right? We want our leaders to be able to understand how businesses work, because if you understand how businesses work, then you create jobs. When you create jobs, you have a more stable economy. When you have a stable economy, you've got less crime. All of those things are things that the liberals don't like, right? And so they come to business folks like myself and they attack us personally in order to, in some kind of way, to discredit us. And that's all this is. Is there
a law on the books that bans work outside of your office?
No, there's not. There's not. The only thing the Attorney General is not allowed to do is to actually practice law outside of his job. He's the only one that the Lieutenant Governor, back when Mitch Landry was a Lieutenant Governor, he practiced law. I mean, the governor could practice law if he wanted. The Attorney General can't practice law. And that's not what I'm doing.
But Mr. Guidry, pardon me, Mr. Jeff, but Mr. Guidry, the fellow in question is and has been a contributor to your campaigns, correct?
Absolutely. He's a great friend of mine. I mean, absolutely. We've been knowing each other for 30 plus years. I don't know, and I'll tell you this too, Robert, I don't know many people that dislike me or that are my enemies that'll give me money to run campaigns and to move great messages and to do some of the great things that we do. Everything that I do, we put out there. We're fully transparent. We ensure that we're not breaking any laws. Before I even took this position, I got an opinion from a lawyer, went and saw someone, said, look, this is an opportunity out there. Anytime I get an opportunity to help create jobs in Louisiana, that's what I want to do.
Is this out there because you're running for governor?
I know there's some people who would like me to. I mean, it's certainly something that we may look into. Right now, we're focused on doing the job that we got right now. But, again, I think it's really part of the bigger national media narrative of just to beat down conservatives. They can't win when we debate them on the issues. And so what they do is they attack us personally.